Hey everyone, it is your realtor Tristan coming to you today with a neighborhood tour of La Costa, California. It's located in 92009 Carlsbad, California. This area has no HOAs, which is really desirable compared to many of the other areas that do have HOAs. And it also does not have any Melrose. So we're gonna start today with one of the areas here called Monarch Hills. I'm gonna take you for a tour around, and remember to reach out anytime you have questions about moving or relocating to San Diego, North County, as I'm here to help. This area features single family homes, usually running anywhere between 2,000 to the smallest being 1,800, some going up to 2,400. These homes were built mostly in the 80s and maybe late 80s. Most have been remodeled and are kept in really wonderful condition. It is a very family-friendly neighborhood to be living in. So why do people choose to live in La Costa, Carlsbad, versus other areas of Carlsbad? Number one is lifestyle. There is the Omni Golf Course, the Omni Resort. And number two is the beaches. They're some of the most family-friendly beaches in North County. Ponto Beach is absolutely fun and wonderful to visit with your children. The other fun activities to do there are visit the Leo Carrillo Ranch and see the peacocks. The shopping at the Forum is one of the best in North County. And you can also camp directly along the coastline right along Ponto Beach. Which is one of the best places to see a movie with a full service bar and in service in your seat eating dine-in options. Homes here can range from condominiums that have amazing views, priced right around the 900,000s and up, to multi-million-dollar pool homes with epic sweeping views. So when I first moved to Carlsbad, I lived in La Costa. It was one of my favorite places to live, and to this day, it still is. It has changed so much, and there are so many different places to shop and eat and dine and have a great time with. So if you're thinking about making a move to Carlsbad and you need someplace with really good schools, please make sure to reach out to me.